So, what we did for the final project right here is two robotic arms trying to play a bowling game. First, all the pins on the conveyor belt, where the robotic arm with the gripper can pick pins up and then place it on the end of the bowling alley. After the pins are in position, the other robotic arm with the sucker will pick up a smaller ball, which is used as a colliding ball, to hit the larger ball, which is the bowling ball. Then the bowling ball will just slide down through the bowling alley to hit all those placed pins.
The most interesting part of the project is how applying inverse kinematics makes the process of determining joint angles needed to reach our target points much easier. As I said, with only 4 kinematics, it is frustrating to try out all the joint angles in order to place each of the 10 cubes in the right places without colliding each other, and we didn't find a good way to solve it until we learned inverse kinematics. And I will demonstrate to you the process of pick up and drop. As you can see, the 10 cubes were placed on the conveyor belt before the scene starts. As you can see, after our UR5 robot pick up one of the cubes, it will place all the cubes to it will move to a point before it places all the cubes to the target place, and that's the point right here. In this situation, we only need to calculate one set of joint angles to reach that point using forward kinematics, and then we can set all the other 10 target points using inverse kinematics based on the offset to that point. And it actually makes everything very easy. And after we place the 10 cubes in a triangle area, we have already set up the 10 pins just like the ones in the bowling game.
So, after all the pins are in location, then this robotic arm with the sucker will try to pick up the smaller collider ball to hit the larger bowling ball, so that the bowling ball will slide down through the bowling alley to push all the pins down. Here's the demonstration for that. Picking up the collider ball, hit it with the larger ball, and boom. So what I did for our final project is the robotic arm and the bowling ball part. The most challenging part for me is how to make the game work. At first, I tried using the gripper to grab the bowling ball directly and throw it down through the alley, just like what human did. That doesn't work because all the pins are actually heavy in mass. The bowling ball needs to be massive enough to make successful collision and to make the collision smooth. So I find that the gripper does not have that much of strength to actually grab the bowling ball up. Then I try to use a sucker to pick up the bowling ball, but this still doesn't work because the robotic arm itself is too light compared to the bowling ball. When moving the ball around, the arm will introduce like weird glitches and produce unexpected results. So after discussing with my teammate, we incorporated the idea of using a smaller collider ball to hit the bowling ball to make this game works. This is also my favorite part of the project.